Hey guys, what's up? So I'm actually not doing anything for today. I'm off from work for today and I'm about to wash my hair. So I just figured I might as well do a hair vlog with you guys and just go through the process of me doing my hair. My hair is currently right now in cornrows because I've been wearing wigs for the past like week or two. I'm over it. I want some box braids. Like, I miss my box braids, so I'm going to put my box braids back in. But I'm about to wash my hair. I'm not actually going to heavily wash my hair. I'm going to co-wash my hair just because I already washed my hair. This is the co-wash that I am going to be using. Here is the mask for the co-wash. I'm actually about to throw in some music. I'm about to hop in the shower, and when I'm done, I'm going to probably blow dry my hair because it makes parting my own hair super easy and super quick. So that's the plan, and I will see you guys soon. It's your girl Ray, aka raeeufsunshinee, and welcome back to my channel.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine Beats.
And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
How to be, who got a lot of D, who poppin' like a P when he be hopping off the D, and who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her to
I quit. Bruh, the comb keep falling out my head. Off the blow dryer. The back is still wet. We're gonna try this one more time. This thing is hot, mate. It's super duper hot. It's super duper hot. That's one side. How my finger? I gotta do my finger exercises. I broke my thumb. And then I broke it and like it's healing wrong, but I was told to treat it like a sprained pinky. I've been trying to avoid using my pinky, so I have a limp finger. It didn't even go to my Head Start. My arm hurts. Okay. I'm like so unprepared to do this hair. Like, so unprepared. I grabbed my container hoping I had an OD in here, and then I grabbed my extra large container of my style booster, my edge booster, my style factor. And I don't mind because like this is supposed to be edge control, but it's holding style gel. In about 2 weeks, well, the end of next week, your girl's going to American Dream. So stick tuned, guys. I will be doing a few vlogs with that because I will be there for 2 days, and I'm doing both the amusement park and the adventure park. So I'm super excited. I'll be staying overnight, so you know I have to give y'all a travel vlog and a hotel vlog. Like, you already know what's up. I also have hair, that's 613 hair that I received from Amazon. I'm also going to do that hair, but I'm dyeing it blue. I'm dyeing it 2 different types of blue. This is one of the 2 colors I had before. Unfortunately, I lost the other one. It dropped from like a high altitude and it like splattered all over the floor. I'm gonna continue doing my hair. These are my squares right now. We're gonna keep getting the job done. So I'm like 3/4 of the way done with the first step of my hair, at least. Like, Alright guys, so altogether, if I'm not mistaken, on my head right now, I have 44 squares, if I'm not mistaken. So this is usually how I would do my hair if I do like a protective style on myself. I usually would put my hair into squares before I would actually do the braiding. I did this in which way I can have a part. I can do a part here. I can do a part here. I can start like before, I'm gonna give myself before 6 p.m. so I can give myself 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 hours. I'm hoping to be done braiding my actual hair by maybe like 1:20 a.m. I'm gonna go grab food and I'm gonna start doing my hair. Alright y'all, so I have 1 pack of hair too, and I have 2 packs of 30. Just because this is actually the ending of my hair color. I actually wanted to grab a 1B, but I grabbed the 2 instead, and I'm kind of tight with myself. I have 3 packs, so I really hope that this works. Like this, I hope I have enough hair, because if I don't have enough hair, I'm gonna have to try and add this color. This is a blonde color, obviously. I don't really know where I would add this blonde color, but I might have to figure it out. So it is almost 11 o'clock, and I believe I am halfway done my hair.
Personal, this is a business, and I'm here to give my honest opinion.
I am almost running out of the blackish brown hair. This here, this is all I have left. And I kind of want to use this for like the front part of my hair. This is the color I've been getting. So I've been thinking, since I did it on this side, I'm gonna do these 3 like this, and it'll be these 3. So I think I want these to look like this. Alright y'all, so it's almost 12 o'clock. It's 15 to 12. And this is where I'm at right now. I'm about to do these 2 in the back really quickly. And then I'm actually going to try and get the rest of my hair done by tonight, because I want to go to bed with my hair done, so I don't have to wake up early in the morning and do it. We are getting progress. Here is the white part. It's just going to be on this side. And then the rest of the hair that comes down is probably going to be more brown and black. Just might do these 2 more that's like blonde, and then do everything black. I'm not too sure about that. I'm really tired, y'all. Like honestly, if I didn't procrastinate from when I woke up, I would have been done my hair, because I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, and I didn't start my actual hair up until about like 1 something, like 12, like really late. All right y'all, so I'm almost done with my hair. This is what I have left, just these 8 braids, and this 1 single makes 9. It is currently almost 2 a.m. This is how much black hair I have left. I'm gonna try and get them to like here, get a strand of each and any. I still have more brown and blonde hair. I'm also out of this. I might have to use my edge booster by Style Factor eventually, because I'm running out of more Shine and Jam. y'all, so I'm actually completely done with my hair. As for the braiding aspect, it is 2:54 a.m. I still have to heat up some water on the stove, and then I have to dip the ends in hot water just so it can lock and seal itself. I actually did have enough hair to do my whole entire head. I had to do a lot of mixing of colors because I knew if I just did one specific color in my head, I wasn't gonna have enough hair. Alright guys, so here's how my hair is looking. So long. It goes past underneath my butt, I believe. This is how much hair I have left. I have two more bundles of the color, so I'm gonna use this again whenever I do my hair. I get more hair. And then I have this left of blonde, so I'm gonna keep this together. I don't have no black. I use the entire 1 pack of black hair in my head. So I'm about to go heat up some water, and then I'm about to start cleaning up, so when I'm done heating up the water and doing my ends, I can just hop into bed. I wet my hair, I wet the ends. The ends are currently dripping. While that's dripping, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hair mousse, and I'm gonna mousse down my hair. And I'm gonna put on my head tie like I said before. Then after that, I'm about to go to bed because your girl is super tired and her body hurts. I'm gonna stand up for y'all to show you guys the length of my hair. And this is where my hair goes. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl, and I'm back with a voiceover. I'm just here to say thank you guys for sticking tuned. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in anything on my channel, I will be doing a new upload on the hair dye on a 613 wig, so be on the lookout for that. I'm also going to be going on a few trips, so also be on the stick tuned for that for a vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I will definitely see you guys soon, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine.